Hi, welcome to the Thrift Shop. So today we got something really special for you. This is going to be a test. Yes, a test to see if you can tell the difference between vinyl, analog, and digital. So in this test we have 6 samples. There'll be at least 2 samples of each. I think there's one that has 3 samples. All has been recorded 24-bit 192 kilohertz via Audacity. You're going to have 2 digital tracks. One is by the Rasp DAC, which is an Audiophonics Raspberry Pi streamer with Saber DAC included. We're monitoring directly out of the DAC, so this is not going through stereo, integrated stereo, preamp, or anything. The second digital track that you'll hear is from the Denafrips Aries 2. And see if you can figure out which one's digital, which one is analog. We have 4 vinyl tracks. 2 are moving coil, 2 are moving magnet. The first one is the Hanna EH, which is a high output moving coil. Second is a VM95E moving magnet. Third is the DL103R moving coil, low output. And the Ortofon 2M bronze moving magnet. So my suggestion is put on your best set of headphones, your best amp, best DAC if you have it. Do some critical listening, close your eyes, listen to the track, replay it several times. Then open your eyes, see what number is showing up on the screen. There will be 6 numbers on the screen to identify which track is playing. Please don't use the video playing in the background as your reference to whether it's vinyl or digital. I'll be playing various videos of vinyl and digital, so don't let that skew your judgment. So this is not for me to decide if vinyl or digital is better, but this is for you to see the difference, or at least hear the difference between digital and vinyl. So enjoy. Hopefully this video doesn't get struck down or issues for using music. The song is by Rage Against the Machine. Soundtrack is, or the track is Bomb Track. So enjoy. Thanks from the Thrift Shop. Bye.